Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Q7. Elegant, functional, nimble, and the list goes on. It is impossible to limit the attributes of the Audi Q7 to just a few and is priced below $70,000. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sunroof, alloy wheels, power brakes, power sunroof, interval wipers, rear window wiper, leather upholstery, heated seats, cruise control, power door locks. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.